Hey everyone, you got the Bub031 here again, and I'm going to give you an instructional video this time on bringing stuff to a model railroad club. I'll get more into detail with this as we get into this video. So, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy. So, now that we have this intro out of the way, let's begin this instructional video. So, everyone, when you order, say, a car from your hobby shop and all that, and you have your consist all together, you bring it to the club, but it's still on its individual boxes. It's a little bit tiring because, well, one, you got to take it all out of the box, which cuts time and running time as well to actually have your stuff out on the layout. And then you got to put it all back after, basically in their individual boxes. Well, when I came across the Proto Powers West, this definitely saves time on putting cars back in and also taking them out and putting them on the track. Don't get me wrong, I love the Proto Power West A-line case. It's great for that. However, I'm going to show you a technique where it's the same way, but it's a little bit more if you're starting off into the hobby. Like, really, if you don't want to really spend that much, like, saying, getting one of these cases. So, let's begin with what I've got. Okay, so I first noted this with one of our members at the club. He went to Dollarama and actually bought himself a whole bunch of these little Tupperware cases. And yes, they are amazing. They do lock into position. And I actually got this for $4 at Dollarama. So it's actually not a bad little carrying case, just like that. And what I also do is I also have bought this grip ease as well to line the floor and to separate the cars inside the tote. And I will tell you right now, it is a lifesaver of actually keeping cars in good condition, not moving around, and just not worrying of have to put them back into a box individually. Just let me show you. So this right here has one of my consists actually in a case. And as you can see, it locks perfectly. And it's able to at least fit 6 passenger cars in a row, like so. And yes, I can actually stick the matting in between as well, which I am going to be doing later, in between each car. This way here, nothing breaks, like so. Now, don't get me wrong, it's great having one little tote at a time, but say if you want to bring a whole bunch of these totes, you're going to need a big case. Well, not that big of a case to actually transport them. I actually found something online here that I'm going to show you. So, I went and found this online, and yes, if you go online, check either Amazon, you can actually find this. I picked this bag up for about $27 online. And let me tell you, this is basically a lot less than an A-line case. Basically, I have my own tote now that I have for a fraction of the price. So, nice and secure up top. And I am able to at least fit 6 of the plastic totes all the way down in, like so. And trust me, this is going to be a saver for hauling my intermodals or all my passenger cars because, and it's a good, and I'm suggesting everyone, as soon as you see these, maybe go look online to try and grab yourself and maybe do this as well. But yeah, this is going to be one of my new totes to actually carry all my stuff. And just to show you that it works, I have my case of passenger cars, which you guys already seen. And it just fits in there just fine. So yeah, that's my case. And that's actually basically a DIY travel case if you ever need one. All right, we're going to wrap this up. And like I said as well, instead of just 6 passenger cars, you can also put at least 8 passenger cars widthwise in here. So you actually have a lot of carrying room with this kit. Okay, everyone, so this is going to wrap up this instructional video on transporting cases. Don't get me wrong, like I said, if you want to, get the Proto Power West A-Line case. They are amazing. But if you're looking later on, like for a little bit of a mediocre / something in your budget, just go to your local brick and mortar, say dollar store and all that, and go online and use this as sort of your impromptu carrying bag. But this is just techniques that I'm showing you all, and I hope you guys like this instructional video. That's going to be it for me for now. There's going to be more videos to come, so thanks for watching. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.